I'm Arianna, and I started my video journey when I was really small. My mom's a videographer, so I took after her. I started the Art Institute in like 2018, and a week right before classes started, they shut down. So I ended up here. In my portfolio, you're going to be seeing a handful of projects I've done for school and nonprofits, and even videos I've done for scholarships. And I'm really thankful to be here and to be graduating in May, and I had an excellent time here with the teachers, and they really shaped me into the person I want to be. And after college, I plan to be a TV producer, and I plan to script write for movies and hopefully be on Netflix someday.